On Tuesday, the Chief Minister also unveiled the roadmap of Dum Dum locality in Nong Thamai. Conrad K Sangma informed that the state government will also conduct drone mapping of Shillong city so as to enable detailed identification of all objects present in any location within city limits.
It's really a very, very great initiative, and other localities should also follow in the same lines. But I would also like to inform everyone that we have already started the process of drone mapping the whole of Shillong city, and which means that even up to the micro details of 1 centimeter, 1 millimeter also will be able to tell exactly where the tree is, where the poles are. And this mapping will obviously help in the overall better planning of future projects in Shillong city, and also allow us to handle situations in the future also when they come and as they come. So this is a great initiative, and as a government, I just wanted to inform you that we will be going ahead with the drone mapping, and I hope the process should be over within the next quarter of actually doing the entire drone mapping of Shillong city.